Hi, thanks for sending the files for me to review. And I looked at them, and the issue is something very simple, but it was probably difficult to show you in or explain in an email. So I thought I'd do a quick video. Here I have the three files open, and what I noticed very quickly is the problem that you mentioned is real, but it's not something that was created just because it was opened in Photoshop. You actually changed the file size, and so let me show you what I mean. So here's the original file, and if I go to image size, I can see that the pixels here are 4,000. And this is almost irrelevant. So let's just look at the pixels right now, because the pixels is the true size of the file. If you change the pixels, you change the quality. So let's cancel that. So this is 4,000. Cancel this. Go to the this file. Let's set it at 100%. So let me make sure we're looking at the right thing. There it is. And if I go to image size, and I can see that the pixels are 2,000. So the original file is twice the size, and you could say twice the quality, which is the reason you see the pixelation in the smaller files. The problem occurred, I assume, when you change the size of the original file. So if I go back to the original and I go to image size, what you want to do is make sure, if you want to keep the same quality, you want to make sure that the pixels don't change. So you probably had resample checked when you change the size. This should be unchecked if you want to just reduce the, let's say, physical size of the file, or the perception of the size, but keep the same quality. You want to keep the pixels the same. So if you uncheck this, and you notice over here, I can't even go in and change the pixels, because when I turn off resample, I'm making the file look smaller, but it's actually the same amount of pixels, so the quality is the same. So I'm going to cancel this. And when I go over to one of the files that you saved, and I zoom in, let's go ahead and zoom out. Okay, so that's 100%. And if I zoom in to 300%, I can see this is the quality, and here's the pixelation. If I go over to the original file and I zoom in to 300%, you can see here that the quality is a little better, but it's actually a lot better, because the file is twice the size. So you can see how big this is compared to how small this is. And so I'm using this little triangle snow shape here as a reference. So at 300%, this is pretty small. At 300% over here, it's pretty large. So if I set this to 150, then it's about the same size, and the quality is much better. See the quality here, very little pixelation, if any, and then over here you can see the pixelation there a lot. So what you want to do, if you want this file to be smaller, say roughly this size, let's go back up into the smaller file, image size there, and so we see that we've got this at 7 inches. And so what we're going to do is come back over to this file, to the original, and go into image size again. And we want to make sure that this is locked and the resample is off. And then if we change this to 7 inches, you'll notice that the pixel count here is going to stay the same. Pixel count stayed the same. The resolution went up. It's all connected. So so it's a smaller dimensions, but the pixels are the same. And so if I OK that, you'll see that the size did not change. It is still the same thing. Now, if I take this file and I import it into, say, InDesign, it'll come in at 7 inches, but that quality is still the same. So you always want to make sure you keep the pixels the same if you want the quality to be the same. If you need a smaller, let's say, file as far as the image size, the megabytes, then you can change the pixel size, which will change the quality, reduce the quality, and make the file size smaller. So to test that, let's click Resample. And here, I'm just going to go in. I'll leave this at 7 inches. And if I just change this down to, say, 200, you'll notice that the image size up here will change and the pixels will change. So now my image is smaller, my pixels are smaller, and my quality is going to be less.